Good afternoon, all telehealth, and happy Labor Day today. Rob here. Today, we're going to be celebrating the Labor Day with some nice hot dogs on the grill. So stay tuned and let's have a barbecue. All right, ladies and gents, let's fire up this grill. So, what we're going to do is put the gas to 6 o'clock. All right. There we go. All systems go. Gonna press the igniter. Voila! Now we gotta make sure that this goes up to 375 around there, around that temperature. Then gonna put those bad boys on the grill because I am getting hungry. All right, we see that the temperature is rising. Things are looking good. That's my pride and joy right there. A Chef's Rob grill. Look at that. This is sheer beauty. Oh man. Just a man in his grill. We are up to just a little while longer. Now as we wait until our grill gets nice and ready for these dogs, I'll give you a little bit of Labor Day history. So, within Labor Day is the first Monday of every September. Every September, the first Monday is what? Labor Day. Now, Labor Day is a day of recognition for everybody in America that went to the workforce to make this country great. So today goes to everybody that put their heart on, work on, they put on their boots, and they went and made this country what it is today. So this Monday goes to each and every one of you. All right, now let's see where this grill is at so we can get these dogs going. Okay guys, this is steaming up. As you can see, we're up to 350. Let me open up the grill right here. Yeah, baby. Woo. You see that going nice and hot. Let's get these dogs on the grill. Alright, here we go. Woo! That was fast. Whoa there. Whoa. Okay. That dog does not want to get cooked, but he has no choice. Alright. So we're going to put these bad boys right here like so. Woo. And then we'll check them and roll them. It's getting hot in here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're going to be having some Hebrew National. The best tasting hot dog that there is. Let's go check out these guys. Okay, looking good. Smelling good. Alright, ladies and gents, when you got to the proper temperature that you want, the dials, let's turn them to 3 o'clock, okay? Reason why, we want to put them at 6 to get it nice and toasty, and then from there, put it at 3 so your flame won't burn what's cooking. Now let's check out what's cooking good looking. Woo-wee! These boys are hot. Let's take 2 minutes more while I grab my condiments. We'll be ready to eat these dogs. All right. A couple of minutes more. Ooh. They'll be ready to go. See, I like mine. Well, this guy does not want it, but he has no choice. Why? Because the lady is waiting there. So, couple minutes more. I'm gonna put one in the back because I like mine extra toasty. And before you know it, ketchup and mustard is gonna have a party with these dogs. Okay, ladies and gents, I have here my spicy mustard, my ketchup, and my all-time favorite pickles. And for all you non-pickle lovers, I don't know what's going on, but you gotta click it twice. That's how you know it's right. We're gonna cut these off like so. Okay, we're gonna open this up. Voila! Now I like mine a little extra charred, but with that being said, guys, put it like so. We're gonna have us a little Labor Day barbecue. All right. And this guy has been trying to sneak away. Okay. We'll close this for now. Or we can leave it open, let it cool down a bit. Okay. Well, there you have it, folks. Labor Day. What a great day it is. Got here my dogs. I have here my pickles. And I'm about to dig right in. With that being said, guys, I want each and every one of you to have a great Labor Day. And also to all my Jewish people out there, happy Rosh Hashanah. May this year be a great prosperity and healthy good year for each and every one of you. And it's time to dig in. Take care, everybody.